Hey there, my friend, Cal Kanai here, and welcome inside my home. Now, as you continue to pay attention over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you some things that I think that you're going to find pretty cool. You see, the thing that I get asked most often, right, is how did you do it? How did I go from earning minimum wage, working in a coffee shop, living in my mom's spare bedroom, and over $25,000 in debt, to creating a multiple six, and even seven-figure per year annual income working online from home, all while having the free time to travel the world, take multiple vacations per year, and the liberty to live life on my own terms. And the truth is, it's actually very simple. And when I show it to you here in just a moment, I think that you're going to be shocked, because the answer has been staring you in the face all along. You just didn't even know that you were seeing it. So let me take you into my office here for just a moment. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out my computer, I'm going to tear back the veil for you, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can begin getting these results for yourself in the exact same way that I've been doing it. So come on, let's go.
All right, so here we are, and you should be able to see my computer screen. And over the next 2 minutes or so, I'm going to show you some websites. And at first, I admit that it might not all make sense to you. You might not see how the two things connect. However, I guarantee as you stick with me here all the way up until the end of this video, everything is going to make perfect sense, all right? So let's click over here. Here's a website that we're all familiar with, right? Best Buy, one of the biggest brands in the world. Well, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, wouldn't you know, they have a link down here that says partnerships. When I click on it, it says right here in clear bold letters, turn website visitors into cash. And I can click there, and it clearly says earn money, partner with a trusted brand, Best Buy of course, and joining is easy and free. And I can click this blue join now button, get signed up immediately. Here's another website we're all familiar with, Amazon, right? Scroll down all the way down to the bottom, and wouldn't you know, a very similar link. It says become an affiliate. So I can click there. And on the next page, it says join, advertise, and earn money. And I can click this little link right here that says join now and get signed up in minutes. Another big website that we're all familiar with, Walmart. And wouldn't you know, much the same story. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here's a link that says affiliate program. I can click there, and it says become an affiliate, earn by referring customers to walmart.com. And I can click this orange button and become a member in just moments, right? So what are we talking about here? Well, what we're talking about is what I like to call freelance digital marketing. What most people don't realize is the biggest brands in the world, multi-billion dollar, multi-million dollar companies, will pay you a commission in order to help them sell their products. That means that you don't have to have your own product. You don't have to deal with shipping, customer service, refunds, merchanting, or any of the hassles. You can get paid simply by helping somebody else sell their product. So let me pull out the whiteboard real quick and share with you how really simple this can be. Now, in order to start earning an income online, we really just need two things, right? We need an audience, okay? And an audience is a group of people that either has a specific problem that they want solved or a desire that they want fulfilled. And secondly, we need an offer, all right? So let me kind of dig into this for just a moment. Here on this next website, I've pulled up the Google Keyword Planner. You'll see that in the top left. And what this is a free tool that anyone can use. And what it does is it helps me figure out how big of an audience there is around any specific search term. So here at the top, I typed in lose weight. You can see that there. And it says clearly here, average monthly searches for all ideas, 1 million to 10 million. And down here, it starts to break it down even simpler. It says how to lose weight. There's about 100,000 to 1 million people per month typing in that specific keyword. Or weight loss, 100,000 to 1 million. How to lose weight fast, another 100,000 to 1 million. Lose weight fast, another 10,000 to 100,000 per month. So what does this mean? Well, this literally means that millions of people per month are going to Google and saying, hey, I want to know how I can lose some additional weight, right? Millions of people a month. Now, that's a large audience with a very specific problem. Now that we've identified an audience that has a problem, what do we do next? Well, I can click over to a website like this one, which is ClickBank. You'll see it up here at the top. And here at the top, I typed in weight loss. And what I'm doing now is I'm going to look for a product that I could promote to that audience that I can get paid a commission by selling that product. So I typed in weight loss here at the top. And sure enough, when I scroll down, Check this one out. Here's one for fat burning soup recipes for weight loss. Average sale $227.91. Means that on average, if I generate a sale for that product, I'll earn about $227 or so, right? So real simple. Let's click back over to the whiteboard and let me finish this drawing this out for you. So as I said, first we identify an audience, right? A group of people that has a problem that needs solving or a desire that needs to be fulfilled. Then we find an offer. Okay, here's an offer that we're going to promote that either solves that problem or fulfills that desire. Then what we do next is we simply place some ads out in front of that audience. We deliver some online advertisements to that specific audience that sends them over to that offer that's going to solve their problem. And when somebody buys, we, as the freelance digital marketer, well, then my friend, we get to earn a commission. And might I say that the commissions can be substantial. Here's a picture of me laying in a bed of checks. This is actually a promotion that I ran. I know it's kind of funny. I thought it would be cute, but I'm laying in a bed of checks. That's over 400 commission checks that came to me in a 45-day period from running one advertising campaign. And those checks in total added up to a little over $130,000, I believe it was. And they range from as little as $40 all the way up to a few $1,000s, depending on what people bought. But so, again, this is a lucrative career opportunity that most people are completely unaware of. And the truth is, it's been staring you dead in the face all along. And yet most people don't even know that this opportunity exists. So there's a whole economy out there that we call the digital economy that's ripe and ready for people like you who are ready to take action, learn the simple skills that it takes to begin creating an income right now from home. Now, obviously, there's more to it than just that. There's much more to it than I can possibly explain in a 4 or 5 minute video. So somewhere around this video, you're going to see a link. When you click on that link, it's going to take you over to a page where you can download my free ebook. I've got a PDF that I'll send to you via email. You can download it. Inside, I go in depth into this, showing you where to find products to promote, where to find audiences, some of the tools, the strategies, really simple stuff that's going to go much more in depth for you. And as even an additional bonus, when you download that PDF, you'll be invited to a live online training workshop. It's up to you if you want to sign up for the workshop or not, but I will spend 2 hours working with you directly, sharing with you my years of experience so that you can begin putting this stuff to work for yourself as well. So if you're interested, click the link somewhere around this video and go over to the next page and download the free PDF at minimum. Make sure that you get your hands on that. And I look forward to sharing this information with you and hopefully having an impact on your life in the same way that this information has had an incredible impact on my life, my friend. So obviously, if you're still watching, you're serious, click the link somewhere around this video, go over to the next page, download that PDF. I'll see you in the future, my friend. Take care. Bye-bye.